The user menu in SugarMarket is where you'll navigate to update your user preferences and, if you're an administrator, configure global settings. Clicking on Profile will allow you to update your contact information such as your name, title, and phone number. You can also select your locale information, where you can update your time zone, date and time format, as well as your preferred language. Currency allows you to update what currency is displayed for opportunity values in SugarMarket. And clicking into the social profile, you can update your social media URLs. These will be used as merge fields in your campaigns. Next, you can change your password at any time through the Change Password menu option. From there, we also have report subscriptions. Each SugarMarket user has the option to subscribe to standard and custom reports generated through your SugarMarket account. This screen allows you to subscribe by checking the box next to the report name and saving any changes that were made. You can easily subscribe to all available standard reports by clicking the Check All button and then Save. If needed, you can also unsubscribe from all by clicking the Uncheck All button and then Save. To subscribe to a shared custom report or landing page report, go to that section, click the Add button, and select the report you'd like sent. Select the format, the interval you'd like it sent in, and then click Save. That report will then be sent in that interval. Now, for those that are administrators, you'll see an option called Admin. This is where you can access additional account settings. You'll note that this screen is broken into two sections, Administrator and CRM Administrator. Under Administrator, you can access role information, email validation, logs, and all other admin functions. Under CRM Administrator, this is where you can access field definitions on all core tables, your CRM connector screens, and other specific data information. Next in our user menu, we have Global Settings. This is where administrators can set preferences to be used throughout SugarMarket for all users. You can use these tabs to make changes to your SugarMarket account information, your default merge tags, any available languages, and your unsubscribe page. And that's a quick overview of how to use the user menu in SugarMarket.